Hey guys, let's unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. This version is actually 40mm LTE version. First of all, quick overview of the box. That's how it looks on the front, left side, right side, and the back with a lot of information. As you can see, first of all, we can get access into the watch and how it looks. First of all, we can find two buttons. There's the microphone. Here and here you can find attachments for straps. And at the bottom, you can find all of those necessary information, like for example, that is covered with Sapphire crystal glass, that it supports LTE, GPS, or for example, we got 5 ATM. Also, here we can find all of those sensors, size, specific version. As you can see, the screen is completely flat. There's no any curves on the edges. It's made out of the aluminum, and here we can find two speakers. To turn it on, we have to click and hold this up button. And now when you take a look for some other accessories, so here we can for sure find straps. I've got this white one, and it's actually made out of this soft rubber. And here in this box, we can find charger. So as you can see, this is the classic Galaxy Watches charger with USB-C end and this wireless platform. And on the left side, we can find the user manual, quick start guide, and the warranty card. So overall, the device is well made. And if you are looking for some other tutorials, well, take a look on my channel where you can find a lot of videos.